TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now are down 18. You get the NASDAQ off 5. S&Ps are down 4.5. Gold contracts up $2.60, trading at $12.03. You have silver up 11 cents. That's $16.39. Oil is down 57 cents at $55.81. Bond market, folks, the ever-ready bond market just continues to go forward with conviction. We have the 10-year up 3 ticks, trading out at 129.17. 30-year up 13 ticks at 164.16. And King Dollar is down 365 ticks at 98.16. What King Dollar has done, third day in a row, coming down with volume. That's bringing the probability much higher that King Dollar is going to do a monster correction here. Euro is up 42 at 107.25, and the yen is trading flat at 119.17. Now, let's go over to take a look at the S&Ps first. Cash S&P, this is your benchmark out here. Gets over the benchmark yesterday. Bottom line is that the benchmark out here is 2097.43. The high of the March level is 2144, where I'm coming out with this benchmark of 2097. That's where we went south with volume. We got into a price point yesterday of the 211. Bottom line is that it couldn't make the high. You know, we'll see what kind of juice comes out of this on the way down today. If you take a look at the correlation inside the SPY, the SPY, what we had with the SPY is the SPY did 99 million shares yesterday. Closed out at the 210.43 area, and the 210.43 area. Bottom line, the benchmark on the SPY would be a close under 209.37. If we take a look at the NDX 100, what you have is this: the NDX 100 is trading out at a price point of 107.75. Now, the NDX 100 had tested the benchmark on the 13th, so that tested the benchmark on Monday, failed on Monday. Bottom line is that we'll see how it handles the 108.20. I suspect we're not even going to get into that level. Small caps, what we did with the small caps broke topside yesterday. We're at 126.28, and anything over the 126.32, bottom line, saying you're going to go higher. It's teetering right at that level right now, so we'll see where that baby shakes out. Gold contract, what we have with gold is this. Gold has the velocity to get to higher price. Thus far, we've got to 1208 today. You're only at 1202 right now, but guess what, folks? You get volume behind this move. We've already done 96,000 contracts. You're going into 1210, and you're going into 125,000 contracts. So what you're going to see is you're going to have much higher volume. It's going to go after this B point of the 1224. What is intriguing is this: the gold contract itself didn't have the volume when it overtook the B point. The GLD, however, did have the volume. When the GLD overtook the B point on April 1st as well as April 6th, that had the structure to have an ABC structure on the way up. Bonds, what we have with the bond market is this: the ever-ready bond market, folks, is going to go after its January highs. The 10-year is at 129.16 right now. Bottom line, what is game is the 130.20, and we very well could have an ABC structure on the way up. You take out that B point with volume, you're going to be at 133. King Dollar is the story out here. King Dollar, folks, came off the high with volume for the second time. We've already done 39,000 contracts coming on the way down. Yesterday, you did 76,000 contracts. King Dollar is going to go after this lowest swing point, the first one being 96.31, the second one being 94.76. You wrap it together, what you can expect is you can expect lower prices out here today. It's very subtle. It's a very slow rollover. Bottom line, I expect you're going to see an expansion of volume as we go to lower price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
The Path of Least Resistance is David White's daily trading newsletter, and if you're looking for active trading ideas, then now's a perfect time for a 30-day free trial to this powerful daily trading advisory service. David uses his years of trading experience to offer his subscribers his